thanks. I really do appreciate it. And make sure you watch this video to the end to gain one or two things from what I'm going to say. Last week I did a video on boosting your immunity, and last week that's what this channel is all about: boosting our immunity, living a healthy lifestyle, being the boss of our health, and growing old together, taking our natural recipe, taking our natural remedy, which can be fruit, food, herbs, leaves, tubers, roots, spices, or what have you, to live a healthy lifestyle, and to have a healthy life, and to live a healthy lifestyle. We and our entire family, our friends, our neighbors, our well wishers. So every week we come out with new videos to be taken for the whole week on an empty stomach, first thing in the morning, before you brush your teeth, before you take your breakfast, just to start your day. Last week we did pomegranate. That the topic was taking care of your heart and your blood vessels, which indeed was really good. I took mine, and I hope you took yours too. So this week we're about taking care of our cholesterol level. Your cholesterol level, reducing it, and also high blood pressure. That's this week's recipe. Can help to reduce high blood pressure, can help to reduce the bad cholesterol, which is the LDL, and increasing the good cholesterol, which is the HDL in our blood. This week we're about taking care of our blood, cleansing our blood. This recipe is good to do all that. It can cleanse your blood, can aid circulation, thereby promoting oxygen to the vital organs of your body. And also this week's recipe is very good for so many things, for your glowing effect of your skin, to your hair, to even taking care of anemia. It can quicken the brain, so it's good. It can increase your circulation, thereby increasing blood flow and oxygen to the brain. So it's very good. That's why I came up with this recipe this week. And research have also said that this recipe is good for normal muscle function, and also the folate content is good for pregnant women. And I'm not saying you should take it, you should consult with your doctor before taking it, but it's good because it has folate, it has iron that is good for the development of children, for the development of even infants. So if you are even planning to get pregnant, it's good to add this recipe to your diet. Research have said that. And also it's very good and rich in vitamin A. It has vitamin C also. It has magnesium, manganese, potassium, and also zinc and iron, which is very good to promote our circulation. So it's also good for cardiovascular diseases like your high blood pressure, your heart diseases, stroke, and other heart-related problems, because it can increase the rhythm, the muscle of the heart. So it's good for us to take this natural recipe. As I also know that we have this problem, not that anybody have the disease, but just taking this natural food to prevent other preventable. And research have also said that in quotes that it's good for cancer. So it's very good to boost your immune system. That's what we're about in this channel, boosting your immune system. So that's why we'll be taking it this week. And this week's recipe is this beetroot. The beetroot. So I'll be teaching us how to prepare it. And another important thing about our beetroot that is good to take care of constipation. So a researcher said that even somebody that was constipated, that they're having difficulty in going to the bathroom even once a week, that was a miracle. But when they start taking this beetroot, that constipation was all gone. So if you should take care taking it, if you have frequent bowel movements, so it's good to take beetroot with care, because it can prevent constipation as you take it often in the morning. And another precaution you have to take is if you are the type that suffers from low blood pressure, because it's very good to reduce high blood pressure. So if you are suffering from low blood pressure, it will further reduce the blood pressure level. So as I always say in this channel, if you have any underlying sicknesses, always consult with your doctor before starting something new, and take lithium to start it, then you see how your body reacts to it. I'll be taking it, so I'm aware of it. So this week I'll be taking it every morning, and also for my family too. So stay tuned with me and let's go prepare together, because preparing it is kind of complicated, but I'll be showing you how to do all that. Thank you. Stay tuned with me. See you later. Welcome back. So that's our beets, and I'll be teaching us how to wash it. If you are washing, you have to wash it properly. You're going to be using this. You can use any glove, maybe brush, to just wash it properly. Although we're going to be peeling, and there are some people that will also boil it. They boil it before they just peel it easily. Just boil it for some maybe 5 minutes or 10. Then you just use your hand to peel it all off. Yes, it's also done that way. Or you just steam it without it getting into the water. Just steam it, and then you take off the skin. Just peel it easily. Then I don't like to do all that boiling or steaming. I just take it all natural. So that is it. So you make sure you wash it properly. It's a very important. It's a plant. It's a root family. Beets is gotten from the roots of the plant. Some come with the leaves also, and which is also delicious. The leaves, which is the green part, the vegetable, you can use it to make vegetable soup or stew. So the one I got today didn't come with the leaf. So, and I really want the beets. So that's what we'll be using. That is it. So I'll be preparing mine as usual. I'll just prepare it and keep it for the week. For maybe 3 days or thereabouts, 3 days or so. Then after I exhaust it, then I start all over again and prepare another one for another. You can see it's very red. So when you are peeling, you just peel it carefully because it can stain your clothes. Yes, you can use your knife, or this is something that you can use to peel your potato or your carrot. So that's what I'm using now. So easy to peel. And make sure you are careful because it can get to your clothes and stain your clothes. Or if you like, also you can put on your gloves before you peel it. You can see now my fingers are getting red. That is Beets for you. So if you have a juicer also, you can just juice it. Hereby the fibre, to separate it. So I'm going to be blending mine with my blender. After which, if I like, I sieve it. If I don't like, I just take it all off. When you take it all off like that, you just feel you in the morning that you will not even take breakfast. You don't want to even take breakfast, but you've taken everything, the juice and the fiber with it. Very careful. See my hand. It's red already. Oh, just be very careful. It's your kitchen and everywhere. Yes. You're using this. And make sure you use. Yes, that's my blender. And as you are using it, make sure if you are just using the beets, you are slicing, make sure you are cleaning the things that you are using. Don't leave it, don't just leave it there. See, that's it, it's very red. Don't just leave it for long before you clean. Because it can leave tough stains behind. That is it. Trying to slice this now, I don't know if you can see it. Yes. That is it. very red. Even splashing already. And it looks a bit hard. Not like anything like apple. So what is it? It's very rich in vitamin C. It's good. It has anti-inflammatory properties, antioxidants. Like I said earlier on, it's good to lower your high cholesterol level, the bad cholesterol, replacing it with the good cholesterol. So I'll be putting that in my blender. And when buying, it's good to get moderate size. Like what I'm using now is moderate. It's quite big. I'm going to be using half. So it's good to use moderate size. Put it in my blender. So I'm going to be adding my water. Just add water that you normally drink. So maybe half of this. I'll just put little water for you to blend normally. So don't go away. Stay tuned while I go blend it. So I'm back. That is it. It's very red and beautiful. So I have my container that I always use to store my juice. So tomorrow before I prepare and get ready for my school run, I have it all prepared in the fridge. I just wake up, take a cup of it, drink it quickly, and before brushing my teeth and before I go take my bath. So that's why I like to call. I don't want to wake up in the morning and come and be blending. So it's good to prepare it. That's it. So you can save it. Pour it into my cup so you can see the beauty of it. That is my beetroot. So here we are. That's my blended beet drink. So these are beet juice. It's red and beautiful. So that's what we're going to be taking this week. As I always say, be the boss of your head. Be the boss of your head. Let's grow together, taking natural remedy. Not just you relax, you're not doing anything about your health. When you take all these things, natural drink, natural juice, first thing in the morning before you eat, before you brush your teeth, you are helping your system, you are helping your cholesterol level, you are helping a lot about you. So always be the boss of your head. Take this recipe this week. Imagine this thing so beautiful. From this beets, we peeled it, we're able to get this, and from this we got this after blending it with our water. So it's very nice. It's not something we should joke with, it's something that we should add to our diet. So as we take conscious effort to look beautiful, take conscious effort of our finance, take conscious effort to have beautiful hair, also let's take conscious effort concerning our health. So, and our cholesterol level, our heart rate, our high blood pressure, just do natural remedy to keep you fit. So, thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so that whenever I do upload any video, you'll be the first to be notified. And make sure you share to your friends and your family, especially those that you love. See you at the top. Bye.